Hi, welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today we're making a vegan locrio de salchicha, aka Dominican style rice with sausage. We're going to start with a package of Beyond Meat hot Italian sausage. While frozen, we're going to cut all the sausages into rounds. And here you see me grab a napkin because it took a little bit of force to do that. Add a little bit of oil to the pot. Saute the sausage until it's golden brown. Don't let it burn like I almost did, okay? In a separate pot, we're going to cook the rice. We're going to add sofrito, dried oregano, olives, tomato paste, better than bouillon, vegetarian, no chicken base. Mix the ingredients a bit. I'm going to add a little bit more tomato paste. Add the water and bring it to a boil. I'm also going to add vegetable bouillon cubes. Stir the broth a little bit more. I am now going to add the rinsed rice to the broth. Mix in the rice and you're going to cook it until most of the broth has dried up, which is about 10 minutes. Make sure you cover the pot but also leave a little gap for the steam to escape. At this point, you should do a final taste test of the broth just to make sure that it's a good taste for you, good salt level. If you think that it needs a bit more salt, then add it. Once most of the broth has evaporated, add the sausage, mix it in, and bring the fire down to low. Add a handful of fresh cilantro. Cover the rice with parchment paper, put the lid on, and steam for about 20 minutes. Okay, time's up. Be very careful removing the parchment paper. The steam is very, very hot. Remove the cilantro and mix in the rice one final time. And the locrio is ready. Here I served it on a plate and I accompanied it with maduros, fried sweet plantains, salad, avocado, and stewed black beans. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.